Let us start with the customer app. When customer app opens, screen displays the list of the orders placed by the customer. Customer taps on the new order button. There are two shops listed. Customer selects medical shop to place the order. The items available in the medical shop will be listed. Customer selects the items and enters the quantity for each of the item. Customer now proceeds to review the items ordered. Customer can go back and modify the order if necessary. Customer taps next to place the order, selects the delivery place, delivery time, types the message and places the order. The new order will be listed in the order screen. It will have a light blue background that indicates that order has the latest update. Order will have details of the last action and time of the action at the bottom. Customer taps on the order details to review the order. Customer can tap on the order to review the list of the possible actions. Available actions depends on the status of the order. In this case, send message, reschedule order, cancel order are listed. Cancel and reschedule actions are available only if allowed by the shop order policy. Now let us look at the shop app. The shop app receives a notification for the new order. When app is opened, either by tapping on the notification or from the icon, it will list the new order received at the top. It will have light green background to indicate that there are latest updates for the order. Shop user taps on the order details and scrolls to view the message. The bottom half will list the items ordered. When an order is tapped, it will list all the possible actions. Proceed to accept the order if ordered items, delivery time and place are acceptable. Otherwise, shop user may reschedule and accept or expire the order. It will be notified and updated to the customer app. Tap the items to list the items available in the shop. By tapping on price, one could change the price of the item. The gray items will be items not available to the customer. Tapping on the item will toggle it and make it available or unavailable depending on the previous state of the item. Save the items so that the changes will be available to the customer when they place the order next time. Tap on customer to invite the new customer by mobile number. The SMS will be sent to the customer if the customer is not registered with Connect Localam. Otherwise, the notification will be sent to the customer and the shop will be listed when customer reopens the app next time. Now, let us go back to the customer app. Customer has received the notification from the shop that the order is accepted. Customer taps on the notification and customer app opens up to show the latest update. Likewise, notifications will be sent for each action for the order, and the action time and description will be viewed at the bottom of the order. This is a quick demo of the apps. There are many more functionalities and you will find it when you will start using it. To set up the shop, you will need to sign up in Connect Localam web app and follow the instructions from how it works. There is a help available after you log in on the home page.